Next important topic, grievance redressal. Why is it important? Whatever activity you do in the world, there would be problems, there would be complaints, there would be concerns. Therefore, redressing or resolving those concerns becomes very important. DPDP rules also talks about them. Welcome to my YouTube channel where you regularly see new content on data privacy, and we are going to talk about what all things have been mentioned about the grievance redressal under the DPDP rules 2025. First thing, you need to appoint a grievance officer. All fiduciaries must appoint a grievance officer. Contact details of this grievance officer, including his email address and phone number, should be very clearly published. There should be no ambiguity on the contact details of the grievance officer. You should, the moment you receive a ticket, acknowledge. So you should immediately give a receipt of the ticket or of the grievance or of the concern that you have received from your data principal. This could be given through email or any other channel or any other link which you think through which you are able to convey or let the information reach the principal back. That mechanism should be adopted so that you can give the acknowledgement of the complaint that you have received. The resolution timeline is set to be 7 days. So if there's a concern, maybe including with respect to the data user or the data principal rights, the concern should be answered within 7 days. Board can issue exceptions if the board wants to, but depending on the kind of situation or the kind of grievance it is. Rule 9.2 mandates that the complaint must be resolved within 7 days. The escalation can go to the board, right? So if you're not able to resolve in 7 days, or if I'm not satisfied with the resolution, I can go back to the board. I go back to the board in either case, right? The fiduciary also should maintain a complete record of the grievances that they have handled and combine it with the general record keeping of the organization. So overall, the big picture about the grievance redressal, a very short subject, is that you should have an accessible grievance system, a very clear communication, strict deadlines that you need to follow, including the fact that you have to provide a resolution within 7 days, and there has to be a proper escalation matrix of the within your system. Like, where do I enter the complaint? So where do I enter the complaint? The moment I enter it, I receive an acknowledgement and someone starts working, and as a matter of strict deadlines, I am expecting that my problem would be solved within 7 days. Right? If that does not happen, there should be an escalation matrix. I should be able to move on to the next letter within the organization. And if that also does not help, then I should be able to go back to the Data Protection Board of India. All this, especially a robust grievance system, strengthens the trust that the principals have in your organization. So that's about the grievance mechanism or new definitions of grievance with respect to the Indian DPDP Act, the new rules which have been published in November 2025. I hope you like the content of the video. Please press the bell and like icon, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share your feedback in the comment section. We are going to continue talking about various more aspects of the Indian DPDP rules 2025.